Hey everyone, welcome back to Talk Easy. Today we are learning a fun and a very common English idiom, which is I have a frog in my throat. Let's get started. Listen everyone, I have a frog in my throat. What do you think it means? A real frog or something else? This idiom does not mean a real frog. It means your voice sounds strange, rough, or you can't speak clearly. Maybe your throat is dry, sore, or you need to cough. Let's check the meaning. Do I have a real frog inside my throat? No. Is my voice normal? No. Do I use this idiom when I have difficulty speaking? Yes. Repeat after me. I have a frog in my throat. Slower. I have a frog in my throat. Stresses on have a frog throat. Here are some natural sentences. 1. Sorry, I have a frog in my throat. Let me drink some water. 2. She tried to speak, but she had a frog in her throat. 3. I always wake up with a frog in my throat. I'll give you a situation. You decide if the idiom fits. You just woke up and your voice is croaky. You're hungry. Your throat is dry before a presentation. Now tell me in the comments, when was the last time you had a frog in your throat? Write your sentence, I'll check it. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another simple and useful idiom.